everybody, welcome back to my channel. That's how I, and this is Bhanu here. So today I'm going to take you guys to my balcony. So this is our balcony, guys. So ours is a gated community, and this is a double bedroom flat that we have. It's an old gated community, so it doesn't have a separate utility area. So this is balcony come utility area come storage area come, all the, this is thermocol box, has the fishing stuff. So everything is this, guys. So I didn't get a chance to clean this balcony since 2 years after my marriage. And before that my husband was staying about from 4 or 5 years, but he was not able to manage this balcony. So finally I thought to use this Christmas vacation in order to do something with this balcony. So I have a plan, let me try and execute it. So this is for pigeons, guys. This net is for pigeons. We have got lot of pigeons here, so just to safeguard our balcony we kept this net. So my brother is here. So my brother and one cousin sister have come to me to help me out to do something with this balcony. So I just called for help. Thank you, Kiran. Thanks for cleaning this. This is my cousin sister Chinnu. Thank you, Chinnu. So okay. Let me do this. Okay, I'll remove all this stuff and put it in this thermocol box so that they'll be at one place. Let me do it quickly. I don't know what is there in this balcony and what not. Here is a visitor. There is a lizard and we three are freaking out. So I'm just trying to push this away from our balcony. Kick out. Let's call my dad for help. I can't do it. Yeah, so finally we were able to get rid of that lizard, and I'm cleaning everything. So this is an old cardboard, guys. So because of the pigeons we have to close it, and then we made it into ta-da. So new cardboard, we added a new cardboard, and I wanted it to be waterproof, so I have added this plastic cover on it. And we are doing the same with the other cardboard. We'll remove it and we'll do the same thing here. So yes, and this, guys, so this is my asset for today. So this is a roll which I bought it. I visited one small town, and my husband's sister was using this wallpaper, and I felt that this is of some use to me as well. So I bought 3 of them. So I already used it in one of the rooms in my dad's home, and I'll show you that pic later. This is the roll. See, look at the texture. I like this ferns, or I don't know what it is, maybe the feathers, but I thought to use it in my balcony. So yeah, let's start work with it. So finally, after cleaning everything on this balcony, so my brother is helping me out to stick them. So I'm applying some Fevicol now. So it worked with Fevicols earlier, so I'm using the same here. So guys, we didn't have even any brush for this, so I'm using pieces of cardboard to take Fevicol and then spread it evenly into the corners. So just like this. This is really effort taking, but I really love the outcome. See, look at it. So my brother is trying to measure actually here, not stick it. So this is the shelf that is left. So on day 1 my brother and cousin sister were able to help me So this is the final for day one. So day one we were able to achieve this much. Then I thought, okay, the rest I think I can manage myself. So this is where we covered the cardboard, and we've covered the shelf with the the ventilator with cardboard. And there is a plastic cover because I wanted it to be waterproof. So I was trying something, at least, just to give some new touch to this balcony. So this is day 2 in the morning. Now I am left the only soldier, and I have attached this one. In the today morning I have arranged these stuff, the washing materials, all these essentials. So after making everything, I'll reshoot this. So now I came to the nursery nearby my home. I'm looking at the indoor plants. So this is the collection of the indoor plants here. Very huge collection. I'm liking all of them, but this little one have to fit in my shelf as it is a small one. So these are the outdoor plants. So let me check on them. These money plants, I think it will work. These are pretty good, but I think I can't take any of them now for that shelf at least. So indoor should be perfect. These are really good, but these are tall ones and may not be able to fit into my shelf. So I'll take one small one. These are the other tiny ones, and I'm really liking these pots. So pots are really good. So once I get pro in raising the plants, I think I'll go with these pots. Very pretty. And this is the final output. So I have covered everything here. The total part here is waterproof now. So if I'm zooming in, I have used the plastic sheet all over this. So the actual one is a paper, but I wanted it to be waterproof. So whatever the area I could cover and what is necessary, I have put this waterproof cover. This lighting is just for effects, guys. I may or may not put. And these plants. So today I went to a nearby nursery and I bought these indoor plants because there is no much sunlight here. So on the top it's absolutely not. So I bought some indoor plants. The first one is pink flowers. It has some pink flowers. So I bought a pink pot for it, and the other one is a money plant, which is very well known. And this is actually this was in our hall, but I thought of putting it here. And see, look at the paper, the texture. So it is it has some sparkle. I really loved it. And this is my favorite. So this is a rose plant which I'm already having, and yeah, that stool I bought it from Amazon, but it is really amazing. I totally love that. And this carpet is already there with us, so I reuse the same. And this is a thermocol box, reversed the lid, and I have arranged some lights, and that is the thermocol bowl. So I really loved it. So I just kept it here because it is adding some color to this place. I'll just keep it that way. And this black box I kept it because I'm going to grow some coriander or methi in this, so I just kept it so that I'll just let you guys know that what I'm going to do in that place. So, and I am really going to get more plants into the shelves. I'll fill them. So I'm not very good at growing plants, so I thought, okay, let me just start with these 3, and then I can later increase the number and fill it up with whatever I can. And now I'm going to show you this in a different way. I have switched off the lights, and it's really cool, guys. I really loved it because I know how this balcony balcony was, but I'm happy that I was able to do this, at least with this, get this look. Happy that it went well as per my plan. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment and let me know your thoughts, and please do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.